What if you could capture 8K aerial footage, fly with GPS precision, and avoid obstacles automatically, all with a compact and affordable drone? Today on Caring Guy, we're taking a look at the powerful D18 Drone, a feature-packed quadcopter designed for aerial photography, travel videos, and beginner drone pilots. Let's see if this drone is really worth it. First, let's talk about the design. The D18 Drone features a sleek black and gray body built from durable ABS plastic and electronic components, making it lightweight yet sturdy. It also comes with a 6-axis gyroscope, which helps keep the drone stable in the air, especially useful when you're recording video. And thanks to its brushless motor, the drone delivers smoother flight performance, better wind resistance, and quieter operation compared to traditional brushed motors. This makes a noticeable difference when flying outdoors. Now let's get to the highlight, the camera. The D18 Drone features a dual optical flow camera system capable of capturing 8K aerial HD photos and videos. You can also manually adjust the camera up to 150 degrees, allowing you to capture wide landscapes, overhead shots, or cinematic angles. The drone also supports real-time FPV transmission via Wi-Fi, which means you can see exactly what the drone sees directly on your smartphone. Perfect for travel videos, nature shots, and creative aerial photography. When it comes to flight performance, the D18 Drone offers some impressive capabilities. It can fly for around 25 minutes on a single charge, which is excellent for a drone in this category. The drone supports 3 flight speeds: low speed, 3 meters per second, medium speed, 4 meters per second, and high speed, 6 meters per second. This gives you flexibility whether you're recording smooth cinematic footage or flying fast for fun. The drone also includes several intelligent flight features that make flying easier and safer. You get GPS and optical flow positioning, which helps the drone hover steadily in place. There's also one key return, allowing the drone to fly back to its starting point. For beginners, headless mode simplifies control so you don't have to worry about orientation. And with 4-sided obstacle avoidance, the drone can detect obstacles and help prevent crashes during flight. The D18 Drone uses 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, which ensures a stable connection between the drone and the remote controller. You can control the drone using the included remote control or a mobile app, and the built-in Wi-Fi allows live video transmission while flying. This makes capturing and sharing aerial footage incredibly easy. Inside the box, you get the D18 Drone, remote controller, 3.7-volt LiPo battery, USB charging cable, spare propeller blades, screwdriver, and 2 user manuals. Everything you need to start flying right away. So, is the D18 Drone worth it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone with 8K aerial camera, brushless motors, GPS features, and intelligent flight modes, the D18 is definitely a strong option for beginners and drone enthusiasts. It offers great features, stable flight performance, and impressive aerial photography capabilities for its category. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews and tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.